Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing the Aspumod 12 A Human Hair Bundles Body Wave. The best sew-in hair bundles you can find on the market. If you're searching for luxurious, versatile hair that can elevate your style, you're in for a treat. These bundles are crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair, ensuring that you receive the highest quality product. Each pack contains 3 bundles, measuring 16, 18, and 20 inches, allowing you to achieve that perfect layered look without any hassle. The body wave style of this hair is not only beautiful but incredibly versatile. Whether you want to flaunt flowing waves or switch it up with sleek straight hair, this product adapts to your styling needs effortlessly. Plus, the natural black color can be easily dyed to match any look you desire. One of the standout features of these bundles is the soft, full density. With a double machine weft construction, the hair is durable and less prone to shedding, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy your stunning locks. The cuticles are aligned in one direction, which significantly reduces tangling and keeps your hair looking fresh and beautiful for months. When cared for properly, these hair bundles can last between 6 to 12 months or even longer. Regular maintenance, such as washing and conditioning, helps to retain the hair's natural shine and elasticity. Remember to use a mild shampoo and avoid excessive heat to keep your hair looking its best. If you're thinking about coloring or bleaching, you're in luck. The Aspumod bundles can handle color treatment beautifully. Just remember to consult with a professional stylist for the best results, especially if you're aiming for a dramatic change. Using heat styling tools? Be sure to keep the temperature between 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 360 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid damaging the hair. Always apply a heat protectant to maintain the integrity and longevity of your bundles. The versatility of these hair bundles makes them a favorite among hair enthusiasts and stylists alike. From elegant updos to casual beach waves, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the perfect sew-in hair bundles that offer quality, style, and longevity, look no further than the Aspumod 12 A Human Hair Bundles Body Wave. They're not just hair extensions, they're an investment in your beauty routine. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty insights. Until next time, stay fabulous.